Hello, my name is Sanea and welcome to this Bollywood dance video. If you joined me in the last session, then welcome back. But for any new joiners, do not worry as we will be exploring a whole new section in today's video. We will start with a Bollywood style warm-up and finish with a cool down. Let's go. Alright, so before we start, just take a moment to make sure you have enough space around you to move freely. You can choose to be barefoot or wear trainers. And lastly, please feel free to change and adapt the movement to what's most comfortable to you. Alright, let's go. So we're going to start in a nice comfortable parallel position with your feet. And you're going to bend down and take a nice big breath, reaching out. And relax. Okay, one more time. Breathing in. Reach up with those fingertips, push into the floor with your feet. And relax. Last time. Big breath in. And this time we're going to lift up our shoulders as high as you can. And relax. Okay, next time you breathe in, just the shoulders. Breathing in. And let it go. One more time. Up. Let it go. Up. Let it go. Up. And a little bit faster. Keep them nice and relaxed. Nice, all right, we're gonna add a little step to the side. Ready? And step, bring it in. Out, and in. Out, and in. Out, and in. And a double, bring it in. Double, bring it in. Quick, bring it in. Quick. Nice, next one. You're gonna hit the shoulder, forward. So you can imagine there's a wall in front of you and you really wanna hit it hard, yeah? And that's it, nice. And hit, hit, hit. Try the other side. Hit, hit, hit. Okay, let's add two. Bring it in. Hit, bring it in. With a little bend to the side, in. One more time. Let's add some arms. Amazing. Other side. Last time. And brilliant. Let's lift up our arms. Great. So, if you remember the what hands from the Bollywood basics, you're going to spread those fingers. And back. Out. And back. One more time. Really waking up those fingertips. And gently curling your wrists to bring your arms to the front. Nice. And see if you can reverse that. And bringing the arms back out. Great. Finding the long line once more. And nice hands into the chest. Reaching out. A bit faster. In and out. In and out. In, out. This time we're going to go what? In, out. What hands? In, out. In, out. Nice, great. So flexing this time, really pushing out, and you're gonna push away and away. If your arms are burning, the more it hurts, the more you smile. Out. And faster. Push. Push. We gotta make sure our shoulders and arms are nice and warm because we're gonna be using them quite a lot. Last four. And relax. Shake it out. Okay, next, finding a nice wide base. We're gonna warm up those hips. Once again, we're gonna be using them a lot, right? So, relax those knees. Really find a nice, easy, grounded position. And you're gonna squeeze your glute and really bring that hip up. Relax. And squeeze the other side. Relax. And squeeze. Relax. Squeeze. Squeeze. Nice. Faster. Inside. 2, 3. Great, keep going. Okay, and this time you're gonna go forward. Really squeeze your glutes and relax, stretch and push into your hamstrings. Once more. Up, stretch and push. And faster. And forward, and back, and forward. Nice. And all the way around. Great. The other side. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. Nice. Next one, we're gonna sit to our side. Great. We found this position in the Bollywood basics. Same again to the other side. Great. And a bit quicker. Swap, swap, swap. Nice, great. So next one, we're gonna add some arms, yeah? So as I swap, I'm gonna draw a nice big circle and find this perfect position parallel to the floor. Great, and keeping that arm up, let's see if you can find it to the other side. Nice. And relax one more time. Big circle and sit. Big circle and sit. A bit faster, ready? And out, out. From there, we're gonna add another hip, hip. Beautiful, let's try that again. And out, out, hip, hip. One more time. Out, out, hip, hip. And swap, and hip. Swap, hip. Faster, and keep going, don't give up. Brilliant. Shake those legs out. Okay, to finish, we're gonna do the Bollywood bob one more time. Get that heart rate up and get you nice and warm. So, just as a little recap, you're gonna hop onto one leg and lift up the other, yeah? And hop, and up, think up. Nice. Keep going. Up, up, up. Let's try the other side, yeah? Swap. Up, 2. Amazing. So we're gonna add some simple arms, yeah? Just follow me and clap, clap, and up, up, down, up, up. Okay. Are we ready to try the bob a little bit faster? All right, let's give it a go. Ready? 6, 7, let's go. And up, 2, 3, 4, 5. And down, and up, and down, and up. Nice. Okay, I hope you're feeling nice and warm. If you want, you can pause the video here for a second, catch a breath, and sip some water. All right, let's get going. So the first thing we're gonna do is a nice big stomp to the front. Stomp, and a hip. One more time. Stomp, and a hip, and stomp, and hip. Last time, stomp, and hip. Great, let's try that a little bit faster. Ready? 6, 7, and stomp, and hip. Stomp, and hip. Stomp, and hip. Stomp, and hip. Nice, so next thing, you're gonna have nice easy arms and you're gonna do a little wave, the Bollywood version of the Queen's wave, going to the top. Nice, a little bounce. One more time, and ta, 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 ta. Let's add those two together. Ready? 6, 7, and step and a hip, step and a hip, step and a hip, step and a hip, and wave, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. So, next thing we're gonna do is flick those arms away and bring it in. Nice. So arms in, feet together, and just feeling really sassy. All right, let's add it all together. Ready? And hip, tap, tap, tap. Last one. And wave, 2, 3, 4. And in. Great, let's try that to music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and step and hip, step and hip. And flick. Great. Amazing. So we're going to learn a little bit more. So we've just finished the flick. Nice. From there, your arm's going to come underneath your elbow. You're going to find your what hands again. So this is the position we are aiming for. Great. So we've just flicked and down. And you're going to do a little circle all the way up. Great. Let's try that again. So flick and down, around and up. You're going to relax your hands and find this nice wide eagle position at the bottom. Great. So again, you have a choice of just staying here, feet together, and really moving your spine and enjoying this here. Or you can step forward, and from here, you can go a little around and over. Nice. Let's break that down one more time. Great. So we've got flick and down. You're going to find your elbow with the what hands. Around and up and open. Nice. And for those of you who are doing the step forward, you're going to go around and open. Great. Let's add all of that together from the top. Ready? Just to the counts. 7 and step and hip, step and hip, step and hip, step and hip, and up. 2, 3, 4. Flick and down and around and over. From there, you've got 2, or actually 4 cheeky shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Let's try that again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. So the next thing we're going to do is the main hook step of the song. Yeah. So you have to go all out straight away and put in full energy because it's the main step. So we've got a little stomp and a nice big bend in your legs. Great. From here, you're going to do a little circle. So here, it doesn't matter which way your circle goes, which body part moves, just move as many parts as you can. So you can do a circle with your wrist, you can do a circle with your hip, you can do a circle with your chest, you can also add a head if you want, or you can do all of them, yeah? So let's try that again. Ready? And stomp and circle. One more time. This time you're gonna stomp to the front and circle. Nice, okay. Let's add the last few steps together. So we've just finished the ta, 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 and you've got and down, over, and under. Got 4, 3, 2, 1, and stomp, around. Nice. From there, you've got a little hip action here, side to side, ta, 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 ta. Great. And we're going to simply try and go step, and step, and step, and step. Yeah, that's it. Come around to me. Nice. Great. So the step, where you step, really doesn't matter as long as you take a nice circle all the way around and come back to the front. Amazing. So this is just a trial run, so don't worry. We're going to try from the very top to until here and see how it goes with the hook step. All right. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and step, hip, 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 and flick, and over, and down, and shoulder to, let's go, ha! And hip, 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 nice. Great. So if you didn't get all of that, don't worry, we are going to come back and try it again from the top. So just to finish up, we can't not do the Bollywood bop again, yeah? So as soon as you've done 1, 2, you've got 3, 4, 5, 6 steps around in total. You're going to come back and try your bop again one last time to finish. So you've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to add a little arm and arm. That's it. Right, let's try the bops one more time. So you've just finished your last hip, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down and up. From there, I want you to think of 3 poses. Okay, it can be something very simple. For example, I'm just going to go pose and pose. And for the last one, I want you to think of something nice and big. You can be simple or you can be crazy. You can do the dancer's pose, or you can literally do anything you want. Whatever makes you feel like a Bollywood star, right? Okay, let's try the bop again with our poses. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down, and up, and pose, pose, finish. Amazing. Okay, let's go from the very top till the end. We're going to try it 2 times. 5, 6, 7, and step and hip, step and hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, flick. Around and over. And back to the bop. And down. Up, ready, pose, 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 finish. Amazing. If you weren't quite sure about the poses, don't worry. You can pause the video for a second and think about it and come up with something extravagant. Okay, if you're ready, we're going to do it one last time, yeah? So once again, big smiles and give it your all. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and hip. Flick. Around. Shoulders. And hip. Back to the bop. Last time. Nice and high. And down and up. Pose, pose. Okay, well done, guys. We're going to calm our breath back down, starting in a nice, comfortable parallel position, reaching over the head, and a nice stretch of the neck to the side. Just calming your breath. If you want a deeper stretch, you can flex the opposite arm. If it feels comfortable, you can bring your chin to your chest. And back to the side. And center. Great, let's try the other side. And over. Reaching to the side, pushing away. Nice deep breaths. Once again, if it feels comfortable, chin to chest. Back to the side. And center. Great. Let's take a deep breath in, reaching up. And bending one arm to find a nice stretch in our shoulders and our triceps. Really reach down with those fingertips. And releasing, swapping over. Nice, one more deep breath here. Release and relax. Next thing, stretching our forearms. We've used them a lot today. So flex your arm, turn your fingers towards the floor, and have a nice deep stretch here. You can keep that elbow nice and soft if it gets a bit much. Nice. And let's swap over to the other side. Great. We're just going to do the opposite of that. So turning your fingers the other way towards the floor, bringing them towards yourself. And the other side, fingers towards the floor and towards yourself. Great. From there, we're just going to relax our arms, relax those legs. Just find a nice, easy circle of the elbows. Nice. Have a little bit more of a sway here. Really releasing, relaxing that tailbone and the spine. And let's see if you can do the opposite. It's like you're having a gentle swim in the ocean. Great. And we're going to bring our feet back together, bringing a chin to your chest, making your way through your spine, just rolling all the way down. You can have your knees bent and really relax over your legs. You can see a small yes and a small no here, releasing the neck and any tension you might have built in there. One last deep breath. And gently rolling up, one vertebra at a time, all the way up. And as you come up, lift those arms up one last time. And let it go. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. In the next and final video, we will be putting together section 1 and 2 so you can have fun dancing the whole routine from top to bottom yourself. So I'll see you for your big performance.